Hello students, now our next topic of measurement is subtracting capacities in liter and milliliter. So first subtracting in milliliter. Example is given, subtract 540 milliliter and 380 milliliter. As column name is ml, that is milliliter, so we have to make the column ml. So it is given here, then we have to do the subtraction. So 540 minus 380. After subtraction we got the answer here 160 in ml. So 160 ml is our answer. Now next is subtracting liter. So example is given, 86 liter and 67 liter. As column name is liter, so we have to make the column of liter. So liter, then put the values as per the column. 86 minus 67. After subtraction the answer is 19 in liter. So 19 liter is our answer. Now with both together we'll see liter and milliliter. Subtract 85 liter 670 milliliter and 36 liter 365 milliliter. So as two columns are there, so we also make two columns, liter and milliliter, and put the values as per the column. 85 in liter column and 670 in milliliter column. Then 36 in again liter column and 365 milliliter column. And as we have to perform the subtraction, so minus sign is there. After subtraction we got the answer here 49 liter 305 milliliter. With this we'll start our exercise here. 5.11, find the difference. Difference means subtraction only. First, 750 milliliter minus 360 milliliter. Starting from ones column, 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 6. In subtraction, our first condition is to check first number should be bigger than second number. Here 5 is smaller than 6, so we can't subtract it directly, so we have to take a borrow from it next. Now next is 7 is there. If we take 1 from it, how many will remain here? 6. And 110 plus 5 is become 15. Now 15 is bigger than 6, so we can subtract. So count after 6 up to 15. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many? 9. So we'll write here 9. Next, 6 minus 3. Now 6 is bigger than 3, so we can subtract it. So count after 3 up to 6. After 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 3. So we'll write here 3. So what is the answer here? 390 ml is our answer. I hope you can try this. Next is 57 liter minus 28 liter. That is 57 liter minus 28 liter. Starting from ones column, 7 minus 8. Now first we have to check that first number should be greater than second here. Now 8 is smaller than 7, so we can't subtract it directly, so we have to take a borrow from it next. Now next is 5. If we take 1 from it, how many will remain here? 4. And 110 plus 7 is become 17. So now here becomes 17. Now 17 is bigger than 8, so we can subtract it. So count after 8 up to 17. After 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. How many? 9. So we'll write here 9. Then 4 minus 2. Count after 2 up to 4. After 2, 3, 4. That is 2. So we'll write 2 here. So answer is 29 liter. Next is E. 75 liter 440 milliliter minus 36 liter 260 milliliter. Starting from ones column, 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 6, as you can see 4 is smaller than 6, so we can't subtract it, so we have to take a borrow from it next. Now next is 4. If we take 1, 3 will remain, and 110 plus 4 is become 14. Now 14 is bigger than 6, so we can subtract it. Count after 6 up to 14. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many? 8. So we'll write here 8. Then 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 5 minus 6. As you can see here, 5 is smaller than 6, so we can't subtract it. So we take a borrow from it next. Now next is 7. If we take 1 from it, how many will remain here? 6. And 110 plus 5 is become 15. Now 15 minus 6, count after 6 up to 15. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 9. So we'll write here 9. And 6 minus 3, count after 3 up to 6. After 3, 4, 5, 6. How many? 3. So what is the answer here? 39 liter 180 milliliter is our answer. I hope you can try this one. Now next topic is word problems. So for his birthday party, Sanjeev got 10 liter juices of two types. If the orange juice was 4 liter, what was the quantity of guava juice? So in the birthday party of Sanjay, he bought two juices. One juice is orange juice and second is guava juice. The orange juice and guava juice is together 10 liter. From that 10 liter, orange juice is 4 liter. So what is the quantity of guava juice? That is the question. So for that we'll write here total quantity of both juices is 10 and orange juice is given. So 4. As they ask for the guava juice, so we have to perform here subtraction. And the answer of subtraction is here 6. So what is the quantity of guava juice here? 6 liter. So answer is written here. The quantity of guava juice is 6 liter. Now next sum is given. Samya filled 2 buckets with water. One bucket holds 10 liter 250 milliliter water and other bucket holds 15 liter 625 milliliter water. Find the total amount of water filled with by her. Okay, so 2 buckets are given with different quantities. So what is the total quantity of water in that bucket? That we have to find. As the keyword total is used, so you will know what you have to perform. So as 2 columns we have to make, first liter and milliliter, then here it is given, and put the value as per the column. After addition we got the answer here 25 liter 875 milliliter. Thus she filled 25 liter 875 milliliter water in both the buckets. With this we'll start our exercise here 5.12. In that the first is given, Kiran's younger sister drinks 850 ml milk daily. If she drinks 550 ml by evening, how much does she drink at night? So Kiran's younger sister's milk drink is given. So in one day she drinks 850 ml of drink. In evening she drink 550 ml. So what is the quantity of drink she drink at night? So here ml column is given. So put the values as per the column. 850 minus, as we have to find the amount of drink that she drink in night, so we have to perform here subtraction. So minus side 550. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 5 is again 0. 8 minus 5, count after 5 up to 8. After 5, 6, 7, 8, that is 3. So answer is what? 300. So 300 ml of milk she drink at night. B. Every day a fruit juice seller makes 85 liter 750 ml of mango juice and orange juice. If he makes 35 liter 500 ml of mango juice, find out the quantity of orange juice made by him. So every day a fruit seller makes total amount of juice is given, 85 liter 750 milliliter. Mango juice and orange juice. Out of them, mango juice is of 35 liter 500 ml. So what is the quantity of orange juice? That we have to find. So what we will perform here? Again subtraction. So put the values as per the column. Total quantity of juice is what? 85. 85 in liter column as it is given, and 750 in milliliter column. Out of them, mango juice is of 35 liter 500 ml. So, and we have to find the quantity of orange juice, so perform subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 5 minus 5 is 0. 8 minus 3 is 5. So what is the answer here? 50 liter 250 milliliter is the quantity of orange juice made by him. Now next C is given. Rajiv is going to his grandmother's house with his parents by car. His father fills 15 liter 500 ml of petrol. On the way, the car used 5 liter 250 ml of petrol. How much petrol is still there in the car? So while going to his grandmother's house, his father, means Rajiv's father, filled the petrol in a car is of 15 liter 500 milliliter. While going, the car uses 5 liter 250 ml of petrol. So how much petrol is still there in the car? That is the question. So for that we again perform here subtraction. So put the values as per the column. 15 liter 500 ml and next is 5 liter, as 5 is one digit number, so put the value in the ones place of the liter column. So 5 liter 250 milliliter. Perform subtraction, minus sign. 5 minus 5 is 0. Sorry, 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 5, as 0 is smaller than 5, so we can't subtract it. So we have to take a borrow from it next. So next is 5. If we take 1 from it, how many will remain? 4. And 110 plus 0 is become 10. Now 10 is bigger than 5, so we can subtract it. So count after 5 up to 10. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many? 5. Now 4 minus 2. As 4 is bigger than 2, so we can subtract it directly. So count after 2 up to 4. After 2, 3, 4. That is 2 here again. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 1, as nothing is there, so we'll write as it is. So 10 in liter. So 10 liter 250 ml or the milliliter of petrol is still there in the car. Now next is the water filter in Kalpana's house can hold 25 liter 500 ml of water. If 16 liter 250 ml of water is used by the family members till afternoon, how much water is still remaining in the filter? So as same question is given, instead of petrol, water is there. So put the values as per the column and again we have to do the subtraction. So put the minus sign. So put the values as per the column. 25 liter 500 milliliter minus 16 liter 250 milliliter. So again you have to perform your subtraction. I hope you can try this. You can solve by yourself. Next is given. The juice shop sells 50 liter 500 ml of pineapple juice and 25 liter 850 ml of watermelon juice. How much juice does he sell in all? So a juice shop sells two types of juices, that is pineapple juice and watermelon juice of different quantities. So total how much juice he sell in all, that is the question. So for that we'll put the values as per the column. 50 in liter column and 500 in ml column, then 25 in liter column and 850 in milliliter column. And as we have to find the cell in all, so we'll perform here addition. So I hope you can find the value of this addition. Next is given. The water tank at Aziz's house holds 75 liter 650 ml water. If his family used 40 liter 320 ml water in a day, how much water was left unused? So Aziz's house water tank holds 75 liter 650 ml of water, and their family use 40 liter 320 milliliter of water in a day. So how much water is still left in that tank? That is the question, that answer we have to find. So put the values as per the column first. 75 liter 650 milliliter and 40 liter 320 milliliter. So how much water is left unused, as the keyword left is used here. So I hope you know which operation you have to perform here. So we'll use here minus or the subtraction. I hope you can find the answer of this subtraction by yourself. And in this way we have finished the lesson here, our measurement. I hope you understand this.